Good afternoon, I'm Stella Villalon, and today we're going to cook some arroz con pollo. And what I've done with the chicken, arroz con pollo means rice and chicken. What I've done with the chicken, I've marinated it in mustard, comino, garlic, and salt. About a teaspoon of each, because you'll be putting more of that stuff once it's ready. But for now, that's what I marinated in, the mustard, the comino, the garlic, and the salt. And now I'm going to sear it for 5 minutes on one side and 5 minutes on another side. And here goes the chicken. It is boneless and skinless, but you can use bone-in chicken. You don't have to take off the skin. You can use any kind of chicken you want. So for right now, this is what I'm going to do. 5 minutes this side, 5 minutes the other side, and then we'll be back. So now I've seared it 5 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the other side. And I also added a bell pepper and a slice of some onion and some celery. So now that it's nice and seared in the olive oil, I don't know if I mentioned that I did it all in olive oil. You're going to pour 3.5 cups of liquid. And this liquid looks like this, but it is a can of Rotel, a tomato sauce, and the rest is chicken broth to make your 3.5 cups of water. And you just lower this a little bit and you slowly pour it. Then you mix it all in the pot. Leave it on high or medium, depending if you have an electric stove or a gas stove, and then you just cover it. And while that's cooking, you can start on your rice. And if you want to see how I made my rice, I will have that video on YouTube, probably right after this one. So we'll be back. Okay, now this has been cooking for about 30 minutes, and I have come by 2 or 3 times, and I've just mixed it, and it's perfect. I know it's perfect because I cut into the chicken, and it cuts with this little spoon, so it's ready. And the rice is also ready. The rice is over here. If you want to learn how to make this rice, I also have a video on there that you can watch for the perfect rice. And you take the rice and you just scoop it into your chicken or your pollo, and your arroz con pollo is done. If you want all the flavors to play around a while before you heat it up, you can let them play. You just close the lid, wait about 5 minutes, and they've played enough, and it's time to eat. I'm gonna watch that one more time. Here's the rice, there's the chicken. It's yummy. Thank you for watching this video.